In today's video I'll show you how you can enter an image, a 3D image to your Excel file, to your Word file. So let's get started. First you should have to click on this insert, and here there is an option of 3D models. I am clicking on this. In one you have in this device in one stock 3D models. For this you should have an active internet access. So this is online 3D models are showing here on my screen. Let's say I want to choose someone. Let's say I want to have this one. I am clicking on this, and let's say I want to choose this one and insert. You'll click on the insert. Now it's saying that inserting 3D model 1 of 1. Now it will insert the 3D model. If you want to rotate, look at like this. This is a 3D model. Let's choose another one. Let's try another one. Let's say I am trying this one. Insert 3D model, stock 3D images. Let's say this time choosing this emoji type. Let's say I'm choosing this one. Okay, now click on this and you can rotate it, you can orbit it just like this. You can see this is how you can insert some 3D images to your Excel, to your Word file. Thank you for watching.